Okay, I'm gonna be fixing my steps. I ordered some new parts from Outdoor Mart. They were not cheap. Just came in the mail yesterday. These are called Hinge, I think they're Hinge pins. And it comes in a kit. I'll just unscrew it here. So I'm just turning the washer. Anyway, it's a 4-piece part. I was spinning the washer there. Comes with that. 1 piece. A wave washer. An aluminum recessed washer. And then you can see that Allen flush mount screw. They're all going to go in this hole. The one's already been removed. So, hopefully it's not too wore out. I've had the wrong bolt in it for a number of years. The steps are going to have to come all the way apart to get that in or not. Not as easy as I'd hoped. Okay, what I had to do was loosen up these 3 Allen screws that hold the step to the frame. This one here I could not get loose. I was afraid I was going to break my wrench. But I think I got enough separation where I could slip the bolt or the nut down past the step, because this piece, the step comes up to about right here. So I'm going to try to put it in there now. These were all very tight. Probably the first time they've been loosened up in 30 years. It's a 1989 trailer. And in just 2 days we'll be in 2019. Alright. I believe this washer's gonna go here. No, that's not good. Alright, that darn thing rolled all the way in the trailer. Wave washer there. Slide in there. It's a much smaller Allen set here. 1/8, I believe it is. So, now with the 4-piece kit that comes from Outdoor Mart. Outdoor Mart. Much better. Now I'll work on this one. This one should be a little easier. I have not unboxed this one yet, so I'm not sure what I have here. I think it's very similar. It's a 5-piece kit. They're both about $25 for the kit each. Oh, look at this one. Nice. The one, as Alan said, also tighten it. What you call that? Another hinge pin, a brass washer, another wave washer, and the aluminum washer that's doubled, and a screw, headset bolt, whatever, recessed one. I'm not sure which way these are going to go compared to the other one. See how they close. Have to do some adjusting on that, maybe loosen it up a little bit. side also. Nice and simple. So let her go. There you have it. Nice and simple.